Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are well and fine at your homes. This is your maths class. Today we are going to study our mathematics. But before starting our study, let us take a pledge against this deadly virus COVID 19. So take a pledge with me. I, Mansi, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID 19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID 19. So now let us start our chapter. Now today we are going to start our next exercise, exercise 2.2. But before starting this exercise, let me give you a brief introduction about rational numbers. What are the rational numbers? The numbers which are in P by Q form, means which are in the form of A upon B, they are called rational number. There is one condition for rational number: the B should not be equal to 0. We have read all these conditions in our last exercise. So in our exercise, what we are going to study about? We are going to study about standard form of rational number. So what is the standard form of rational number? Whenever we simplify a number to a point where no other factors, no other smaller number can be here, that is called the standard form. For example, here it is a number 4 by 8. When we cut it this number on the table of 2, that would be 2 upon 4. Again it would be 1 by 2. So after that there is no common factor of 1 and 2. So here it is the lowest term, or we can say that 1 by 2 is the standard form of 4 by 8. Next is cross product equivalent rational numbers. What is cross product of equivalent rational number? Suppose we are having two rational number, a upon b, which is equals to p upon q. Then a multiply by q and b multiply by p means the cross multiplication of both the terms would be equal. So let us take an example. Let us have a look on an example. The first example is, if the following sets of rational numbers are equivalent, so check them. So firstly, the first example is 6 upon minus 18 and minus 5 upon 15. So firstly we have to express the numbers in their standard form. So expressing 6 by minus 18 in standard form, that is 1 over 3, because 6 and 18 have a common factor, that is 3. Or we can say that that is 6 itself. 6 1 the 6 and 6 3 is 18, so that is 1 by 8. Moving to next number, 5 by 15, that can also be written as 5 by 15 can also be written as minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3 are equal, means the common factor after doing the standard form, they are equal, so they are equivalent to each other. Moving to next type of question, when they are not equal, how to do the equivalency? Just multiply the denominator of second to the denominator and numerator of first, and denominator of first to the numerator of first and second. So here it is, minus 9 by 27 is not equivalent to 6 by minus 18. So it is not equivalent to each other. It is equivalent when if there are no signs, but according to the signs, when we write the standard form of 9 by 27, that would be minus 1 by 3. When we write the standard form of 6 by 18, that would be 1 over minus 3. So they both are not equal to. How to write them in equal form? Just multiply the denominator of first, denominator of second in the numerator and denominator of first. So the denominator of second was minus 18, so simply multiply minus 18 here. Just simply multiply again. Multiply the denominator of first to the second one. So multiply here. the number, whatever the number comes, they are equivalent to each other. So now moving to our exercise, our first question is fill in the blanks. To how to fill in the blanks, we have to use the cross equivalence method. So how to use the cross equivalence method, let me show you. So our first question is fill in the blanks. Minus 3 by 7 equivalent to dash over 49 equivalent to dash over 84. So simply by using cross equivalent. So how to find? Just simply put x here, let the empty space be x. So that is our equation number 1. So let the empty space be x. So cross multiplying. Minus 3 into 49, this side x multiplied by 7. So minus 3 into 49, that would be minus 147. So 7 here it is multiplying, so just divide it on the other side. So x would be minus 22. So put the value of x minus 22 in the first column or first equation. Moving to our next, taking the second pair. In second pair, minus 21 over 49 is equivalent to dash over 84. So simply again cross multiply. What will be the cross multiply? Minus 21 into 84, which is equals to, put y here. In the empty space, let it is be y. Y multiply by 49. So 21 multiply by 84, that would be minus 1764, and that is y into 49. Whenever we divide this term with 49, the answer is minus 36. So put minus 36 on the place of y in this equation, and our answer will be minus 3 by 7, which is equals to minus 21 over 49, which is equivalent to minus 36 over 84. The rest of questions of this part are similar. So moving to our second part. In second part, what is the question? Check if the following are equivalent rational numbers. If they are not, make one change in the second number to make it equivalent to the first one. So what we have to do? Firstly, we have to check the equivalency of number. If they are equivalent, then okay. If they are not equivalent, we have to make them equivalent. So firstly, taking the first question, 6 by 7, 54 by 63. So firstly, write in standard form. How to write in standard form? 6 by 7, the standard form is 6 by 7 because there is no common factor, and that is the lowest term. 54 by 63, the common factor is 9. So just simply we can write it down. 9 6 the 54, 9 7s are 63. So simply write it down, 6 by 7. So the lowest term is equal, so these numbers are equivalent. Similarly, in next question, 11 upon 13, 99 over 117. So write in standard form. 11 by 13, the standard form is 11 by 13 because there is no common factor in 11 and 13. So next is 99 by 107. In this question, in this term, if we divide 99 with 9, that would be 11, and 117 with 9, that would be 13. Means 11 by 30, 11 by 13. So their numbers are equivalent rational numbers. So moving to our next question, 13 over minus 15, 16 over minus 98. So whenever we write in standard form, there is no common factor in 13 over minus 15, so write it as it is. Moving to next, 68 over minus 90. So that is, whenever there is 2 is the common factor, so simply divide 68 by 2 and 90 by 2. That is 34 over minus 45. These numbers are not equal. So as we have read how to make them equivalent, simply multiply the denominator of second to the numerator and denominator of first, and the denominator of second to the denominator of first to the numerator of first and denominator of second. So what we have to do, just multiply the denominator of second to the numerator of and denominator of first. That is the answer. Next, denominator of second to the numerator of first and denominator of first. So simply these two numbers are equivalent to each other. So now moving to our next question. What is the next question? Write equivalent rational numbers if of minus 3 by 7 with the following denominator. So we are given with a denominator. The denominator is minus 21. So the number is minus 3 by 7 and we have to create an equivalent rational number. We have to create the equivalent rational number whose denominator is minus 21. So simply firstly write the rational number. How to write the equivalent denominator? We have to make denominator as 21. So in the table of 7 where 21 comes, we know that 7 3s are 21. We have to create minus 21. So simply multiply it minus 3 by minus 3. That would be 9 over minus 21. Similarly, the second question. The second question, the denominator should be 700. We know that in the table of 7 where 700 comes, whenever we multiply 7 with 100, that would be 700 simply. Next question is write 5 rational numbers equivalent to each of the following. We are given with a number, we have to write down any 5 equivalent rational numbers. So how to write 5 equivalent rational numbers? Just start multiplying from 2. So whenever we multiply minus 3 by 9 into 2 by 2, that would be minus 6 over 18. When we take the common factor, that would be 1 over 9. If we take the standard form of this, that would be minus 1 over 9. Similarly, here it would be minus 1 of 9. So similarly, we have to write into multiply by 3, multiply by 4 by 4, multiply by 5 by 5, multiply by 6 by 6. That are the equivalent rational numbers. Moving to our next question. Express the following rational numbers with positive denominator. We are having denominator in negative, we have to create it into positive. To how we can create a negative term into positive term? As we have read the rules of multiplication, if we multiply same sign, the result will be positive. So just multiply the term with minus 1 over minus 1, that would be minus 5 or 6. So the denominator is positive. Similarly, in next question, 0 over minus 150, so simply multiply it with minus 1 over 1, that would be 0 over 150. The denominator of 0 over 150, it is positive. So in next question, 14 over minus 25, so just simply multiply minus 1 over minus 1, that would be minus 14 over 25, which is having a positive denominator. So our exercise include 9 questions. So in this assignment, we only done the 5 questions. In next assignment, we will do rest of the question. Thank you. Have a nice day.